Good morning, dear teachers and friends. Today we all have gathered here for a special day. This day is called National Teachers Day. Every year we celebrate Teachers Day on 5th September. Do you know why we celebrate it on this day? Because it is the birthday of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. He was a great teacher, philosopher and the second president of India. Dr. Radhakrishnan believed teachers are the real nation builders. That's why his birthday is celebrated as Teachers Day. Teachers are like guiding lights in our lives. They show us the right path. They remove darkness from our minds. They fill our life with knowledge. They inspire us to dream big. They motivate us to achieve our goals. Teachers are like gardeners. We are small plants in their care. With love and patience, they help us grow. Teachers teach us reading and writing. They also teach us discipline and respect. They guide us to become good human beings. Without teachers, schools cannot exist. Without teachers, society cannot progress. Teachers sacrifice a lot for their students. They prepare lessons every day. They spend hours correcting our mistakes. They never lose patience with us. They always encourage us to try again. A teacher's smiles give us confidence. A teacher's words give us courage. A teacher's advice gives us wisdom. Teachers shape our character. Teachers make us disciplined. Teachers show us the difference between right and wrong. They are like second parents to us. At school, they care for us like their own children. When we are sad, they cheer us up. When we are happy, they celebrate with us. Teachers' Day is a chance to thank them. On this day, students show love to their teachers. We give them flowers, greeting cards and gifts. But the best gift is our respect. Saying thank you teacher is the sweetest gift. Teachers do not expect money or wealth. They only expect love and respect. We should always listen to our teachers. We should obey them. We should follow their advice. That will make a good students. Teachers are the builders of our nation. They prepare students to become tomorrow's leaders. Without teachers, there would be no doctors. Without teachers, there would be no engineers. Without teachers, there would be no scientists. Without teachers, there would be no artists. Without teachers, there would be no leaders. Every successful person has a teacher behind them. Our first teacher is our mother. After that, our school teachers guide us. Both deserve respect and love. A good teacher can change a lives. A strict teacher can make a lazy student work hard. A lovely teacher can make a weak student confident. A wise teacher can make a confused student clear. Teachers plant seeds of knowledge in us. Those seeds grow into wisdom. That wisdom shapes our futures. Teachers are like candles. They burn themselves to give us light. They sacrifice their time for our education. They dedicate their life to our success. We should never forget our teachers. Even when we grow old, we should remember them. We should meet them and thank them, because gratitude makes us better human beings. Teachers' Day is not just a celebration, it also a reminder. A reminder that we must respect teachers every day, not only on September 5th. In India, teachers have always been respected. In our culture, we say Guru Deva Bhava. It means teachers is equal to God. That is how important teachers are. Great kings and great teachers, Lord Krishna and Guru Sandipani, Chandragupta and Chanakya, Swami Vivekananda and Ramakrishna Paramahamsa. Dr. Radhakrishnan had great teachers too. That is why they became great. So we must also respect our gurus. We must follow their teachings. Teachers' Day unites teachers and students. It strengthens and their bond. It makes learning joyful. It makes teaching meaningful. Teachers love when students succeeded. Their greatest happiness is our achievement. Their greatest pride is our progress. We should always make them proud. By studying well, by behaving well, by being kind and respectful, by helping others, by being honest and hardworking, by spreading knowledge. A teacher's dream is to see students shine. Let us make their dream come true. Let us promise to be good students. Let us promise to respect our teachers. Let us promise to follow their advice. Let us promise to never forget their role in our life. Teachers' Day is a day of joy. It is a day of respect. It is a day of gratitude. Dear teachers, we thank you from our hearts. You are our guidance, our mentors, our friends. Without you, we are nothing. So, dear children, let us always love and respect our teachers because teachers are the real heroes of our life. Happy Teachers' Day to all teachers.